Welcome to Basically Bush Limited, the producers of world-class possum fur pelts and suppliers of quality possum fibre. We ensure that we use processing methods that have the least amount of environmental impact. Please join us as we show you our processing story. Raw possum fur pelts are purchased from agents nationwide and local hunters here at the tannery. All of the agents send the fur here to the BBL tannery. We can receive anything from 1 to 12 bales a day. Once we unpack the fur, every kilo is put over a stainless steel processing table and checked for contamination, moisture content and quality. The fur is then processed just like wool. Each bale contains 100 to 125 kilos of fur. The bales are then labelled and ready to be dispatched to New Zealand-based spinners, where it is combined with merino wool and other fibres to make into a luxury yarn. Raw possum pelts are brought by our agents or directly from hunters here at the tannery. They are presented to us frozen or stretched and dried. There are 4 main natural colours: dark brown, red-brown, pale and rusty. Each raw pelt is sized medium, large or XL and graded, first grade or second grade. Lower grade skins are not dressed and have the fur removed from them and are sold as fur fibre. Raw pelts go to the wet room in batches of 100 to 600 depending on requirements. Different sized vats or dollies for different size batches. All pelts are rehydrated and washed and then fleshed. Then they are scoured or washed to remove excess fat, pickled and dressed using an alum-based product. This produces a fine, white supple leather when finished. When pelts have completed the wet room processing, they are stacked on pallets in their grade, size and colour. They are now preserved and stay in this state until required to fill an order. Some skins are put through a secondary process, where finished skins are reworked and dyed to customer requirements. This is done in stainless steel drums and enables us to process batches specific to customer orders in the most economical manner. When we receive an order from a customer, the preserved pelts are chosen and the finishing process begins. Sawdust drums are used to tumble dry the pelts at various stages of the dry room processing to clean fur, equalise moisture content and soften the leather. We also use a water-free method of cleaning the pelts in a dry cleaner. After the dyeing and cleaning process, the pelts are stretched and reduced in substance. This makes the leather thinner, lighter and more pliable. This is a process called staking and is an important process, as it ensures that the pelt is returned to its original size. Following the staking process, the pelts go through the buffer, which leaves a nice, smooth, even-looking leather. The pelt then follows the processing chain to the carder, which is a mechanical combining device to remove loose fur and knots. The pelt is then handed over the table, where it is given an even more thorough combing by special furrier combs to remove all deep knots and sprayed with silicone. One of the last processing stages is the hot rotary iron that, in conjunction with the silicone spray, gives a nice shiny and straight fur. This ironing process conditions and straightens the fur, giving it a good stand. After finishing, the pelts are sent to the grading room where they are regraded. This ensures that all pelts are exactly what the customer ordered and are fit for purpose. The finished pelts are then packed into strong cartons to be dispatched to domestic and international customers.